What's going on, guys? We're gonna do a repair on this 2005 Buick Century. We got this ignition switch. Let me show you guys how to repair it. Right now, this is the issue that I'm getting. Let me go ahead and show you why I'm changing the ignition switch, and maybe that's the reason why I need to change it. So I insert the key, I turn it, getting the flicker lights, no crank. So it's acting up. Alright, now we're gonna get a 25, what it's called, you're looking at a 25 star socket, T25, that I got right here. There's gonna be in the bottom some things you gotta unscrew, so let's get to it. First one right here. See if it's coming out. Hopefully you guys can see it. We got another one right here. So there's gonna be this right here, this clamps. Just gonna pop the whole thing off with a flat screw. I believe you gotta start with the bottom first, just like that. There you have it. And if you see, they got this. Might need to take that off too. Push it down. It's gonna come off. Next, we just get a regular screwdriver. Unscrew this one. And unscrew this one. We got another one right here. And another one right here that you're gonna have to take off to get to the cables and stuff. So let's see how much more we got going here. So it seems like we got another one right here. So there's another one, that's 5. We're taking this whole black bottom off. It's 5. And could this be it? Not really sure. This out. Alright, so we want to make sure this here, pull it outwards. Just like that. We gotta take this off, bro. We're gonna try to remove the lock cylinder from right here. Came right out just like that. See that? Let's go ahead and remove this plastic thing around the key cylinder. Just leave it here. To take this e-socket, and there's another one right here that hopefully you guys can see. These two. Gonna get this tool set right here, and then let's see. By the way, I got this. My grandpa had it. Not sure what these are called. Lucky he has a tool set. He hardly has tools, but when he nailed it with this one. This one comes in clutch. You got to figure it out on your own. What they were gonna charge me for this, at the low end, like 210. Probably would have charged me way more if I kept asking around. I guess this, we're gonna pull it out. Alright, so in here we got this black pin. Okay guys, black pin that you're gonna push up, literally push up, and then turn this. Or just put your finger up, actually. Turn it like this. Like that. So that's what that black hole was. Really, it was this thing. There's gonna be one right here. There's one. And there's two. There's one right here. There's one right here. There's another one over there. And another one like right there. You can see my finger. There's an extension for the 10 because there is one that I'm trying to get to right there. Right there. Boom. There you have it. I'm gonna get that one right there. We're also gonna have another hole here. I'm gonna put it through that hole so we can get to it. Right there. You can see. That's where it's at. Right here where I'm putting my finger at. I'm trying to give you the best shot. Right here. Boom. That's where you're getting it. So this thing just popped right off. Let me change the ISO on this though. So as soon as we took the bolt out, the whole thing fell out. So I got this 7mm right here. It's gonna go literally right here. So it's gonna remove it. Alright, we took it off. You're looking at it right here. We're gonna get a flathead and we're gonna push it upwards. Like that. Push this upwards. That. Wow. This is what we're replacing. Just like that. That. Then we're gonna plug this back in. The white thing. So we're trying to go to. Trying to put it there. But that's how you change your ignition switch. Hopefully I was able to help you guys out. Make sure you subscribe. And if you did get help, like the video. And appreciate you guys for watching. Hope it helped everyone out there that was watching, because you know, sometimes you ain't got nobody to rely on. You don't want to worry about these mechanics doing a bad job. Hey, do it yourself. See ya, guys.